Good evening, everyone. Okay, first of all, I would like to say thank you to Professor Jamil because gave me this opportunity to present today. I would like to start my presentation by state the presentation outline. I will start my presentation by self-introduction. My name is Norazlida Jamil, and you can call me Ida. Sorry. Okay, I was from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and Kyoto, I live in Imadegawa. This is my email. And I would like to share and introduce to you a bit about Faculty of Engineering UPM. This is the map of Faculty of Engineering. And this is a vision of Faculty of Engineering. It aims to be a leading institution for the advancement of engineering in the world, and the missions are to develop the art and science of engineering for the well-being of mankind, educate engineers to high standards of scientific, managerial, and professional competence in harmony with the environment, and also share the knowledge and skills with community throughout the world. These buildings are all the laboratories, and this building is especially for electrical and electronic engineering. There are 8 departments in Faculty of Engineering: Process and Food Engineering, Mechanical and Manufacturing, Chemical and Environmental, Electrical and Electronic, Biological and Agricultural, Civil, Aerospace, and the last one is the Computer and Communication System Engineering. I would like to focus more on Department of Biological and Agricultural Engineering. So what is Agriculture and Biosystem Engineering? Actually, it's a discipline of engineering that integrates the fundamental of sciences and engineering for the enhancement of agriculture and food production, energy, and also environment. Actually, there are 4 areas that will be covered by agriculture and biosystem engineering. First one is mechanization and automation, bioprocess and environment, soil and water resources, and bioinformation system. Actually, these 4 areas will be our optional subject when we are in our final year. For mechanization and automation option, we will learn, one of the subject that we will learn is robotics in agriculture, which will be focused more on robots and mechanization and also models. For bioprocess and environment option, we will learn about one of the subjects that we will learn is agricultural waste management, which will be covered engineering applications in addressing issues on how to manage the agricultural waste effectively. And the third option is soil and water resources, and one of the subjects is soil erosion and conservation, which will be focused more on factors that will cause soil erosion and mechanics of soil erosion. And the last one is bioinformation systems, which will be my option subject in my final year. One of the subjects that I will learn is remote sensing application. Okay, this is two of examples that are related to research that related to bioinformation system. This is just for example, this is paddy and rice grading, and also immature paddy detection for image processing. This is the example for paddy and rice in a broken rice station. This is the example for paddy and rice broken detection. This is for the original image. 20% BR is stand for 20% broken rice, and in this mixture, which is the mixture of head rice is stand for rice which is not broken, and this is the flow of the process of the image processing techniques. And the final output will become this, which is the broken rice will be deleted. And the next one is the next example, which is related to bioinformation system, is Immature paddy detection by using image processing technique. This is the original image. This is a mixture of immature and mature paddy. After then the image transcoding, we will get to detect the immature paddy in the after the image processing technique. Okay, this is actually what my expectation when I come here. I want to learn about equipments that were used by bioinstrument group, machine vision group, and also spectroscopy group. Actually, we have in our laboratory spectroscopy equipment, but no one have used it before because no one know how to use it. So I hope that after these 9 weeks, I can come back to Malaysia and take that spectroscopy equipment from museum. Okay, this is one of the this is examples of student activities. Okay, there are some brochures which is regarding the International Conference on Agriculture and Food Engineering for Life. My lecturer asked me to promote this conference because this is will be hosted by our department. And the theme for this international conference is Bringing Engineering to Life from 26 to 28 November, which will be held on Palm Garden Hotel, Putrajaya. For further information, you can visit this website or you can also look at the brochure that I passed before. Okay, this is example of the form. Yeah, you can know the details from the website. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Question? Do you know what kind of spectroscopy?
I'm not so sure because I never looked at the equipment before, but I know that the spectroscopy equipment exists in our laboratory.
So I have chance to go to
Yeah, you can
use.
Oh, you want to be our lecturer?
So later you can learn.
Anything else? One of your project was rice grain images. That is after threshing, after harvesting.
This one?
Yeah. Well, what's the purpose of this project?
The purpose of this project is to detect, to differentiate between the broken rice and also the head rice.
That after threshing or after combine harvesting?
After threshing.
After threshing?
Yeah. This is also conducted by, these two research also conducted by our supervisor.
Then, so you have a thresher or combine harvesting, which?
Sorry?
So that is in-field or off-field?
Off-field.
Off-field?
Yeah.
Then your machine vision is the threshing machine? Or that's independently separate from the threshing machine. So you just pick the sample, then in the laboratory you just check the
Yeah.
Yeah, very similar idea with machine.
What is the difference between the images? Number 2 and number 3.
This one. I'm also not sure because I also cannot detect any difference. I think that this is the original scan image from the camera, and after that, this is the image after we connect the camera to the component analysis. Just to, we're not doing anything yet here. Then, what's the shoe?
Yeah, looks like
It's
a
the
small
same.
cracked one was moved away. Then finally you can get good one. Okay. Any other question? I think a little bit fast. Your presentation, I cannot follow all your talk. Hopefully, a little more slow,
Yeah.
slow speaker.
Malaysian
Slow
people
speaker.
always speak fast.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, so enjoy your time. Okay.
Also, thank you.